Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel video course tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create an employee payment or payroll system in an Excel project. So let's start the project. That's it, we have done the coding part. Now here we have entered the employee ID 1001 employee payment slip. He has worked only for 2 days. Now for example, if I enter 1005, not 105, let's add 1002, when I click enter, notice that here I got Jack 8 hours, occupation is sales. Here we got all the information from sheet 1 to sheet 2 and it's calculated automatically. Now for example, 27th December his working hour I'm changing to 2 p.m. See, he worked for 4 hours. The payment and hours of work is totally updated according to the enter time and exit time. Below we got total hours worked and total payment 1004. Now if you want to print the employee payslip, go to file, print. See, here we got the print here. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice on my Excel sheet, just for the time saving, I have added one employee record details here. Employee ID, employee name, occupation and hourly rates in dollars. And about 3 rows, I merged the cells and I have added the heading only, employee payroll system. Let's add one more employee record 1005, which is Lalita, is a programmer, and hourly rate is $12. And the dollars they are paying hourly in dollars. The third column is occupation. The column B is the employee name and column A is the employee ID. Now my aim is I want to create the employee system, employee payroll system based on these employee details. So first we'll create one Excel sheet. Make sure Excel sheet, if you want, rename these ones, but just for the demo purpose you can understand, I'm not changing any sheet names here. Now first what I'll do is I want to set this Excel sheet to the A4 size paper so I can print the payslip. So for that, go to file. In the file there is a print option here, click that one. In the print, come to the category. In the categories, notice that in the letter I'm selecting A4 size. This is the A4 size I have selected. If you want, you can select any particular size, but I am selecting the A4 size for this example. That's it. Again, go back to our Excel sheet 2. And if you notice here, between I and J, there are some small thin line between I and J with dots. So which means whatever the data we are entering must be between A and I only. If you enter any details after this dotted line, that will not print. So this is the A4 size between A and I. Now the first, I will add this employee payroll heading here. So first let's merge the cells. Then here I am adding is equals to, the formula is equals to A1. This is the formula. From sheet 1 I am copying in sheet 2. Enter. See, here we got the employee payroll system. Put in the middle, bold. I'm adding some color. Let's increase the size 12. Now after that, I want to add the date here. So I'm merging these cells up to I. Let's merge the cells. What I'll do is I'm adding. I have selected from A4 cell to I4 cell. I'm merging the cells. Here I'm adding today. Enter. Here we got the date The date I want to print here, and I'm converting the date. The format is right click the mouse, format cells. Notice in the format cells on the number tab there is a category option. In this category there is a date option here. The fifth one is the date. Select that one. Now this is the type, the date type I want to display here. See here we got the date here. Make this in the bold. This is today's date. What is today's date? Monday 26 December. And after that I'm adding some top and border lines here. So here we got the border lines. Now after that A6 and B6 I'm merging for employee ID. This is the employee ID, and I'm merging A7 B7 for employee name, and this one I'm merging wages, and here I'm adding occupation. So let's add this white color, bold, with borders. Now my aim is if I enter any employee ID, for example if I add 1003 here, 1003, when I click enter I want to get all the details of this employee ID, name, wages and occupation from this sheet 1. So first let's do that one. The name, the formula is I'm using VLOOKUP formula. The first thing, the lookup value, we are looking for the employee ID record, which is C6 here we have added C6, comma. Now the second parameter is a table array, where the table array we are getting from the sheet 1. So shift to sheet 1, select the range. I have selected the range. Notice here the selected range here. Then here only I am adding the formula. Now the column index number. The column index number, employee ID is 1, employee name is 2, occupation is 3, and wages, hourly rate in dollars, wages is 4, the column number 4, the index number. So I require the name, which is 2, comma. Now here I am selecting the false, exact match. Let's close the VLOOKUP function. Let's copy this one. We have entered the formula in sheet 1. See here the green color, sheet 1 is green color, which means we are in the sheet 1. Now go to sheet 2. Make sure the formula we have entered in the C7 cell only. Paste here, enter. See here we got 1003 is Peter, 1003 is Peter here. We got the Peter here. If I enter 1001, enter, we got Charan here. The same thing I want to add here, the same formula here I am adding. Now wages is 4, enter. Here we got $12. See here $12 for the Charan 101 employed. Here the occupation is again the same formula I am adding here. This is occupation, column number is 3, enter. See here we got the programmer. So now put everything in the bold, middle, merge the cells, put in the middle. See here we got. Now what I'll do is, let's merge the cells, which is the date, start date, enter date. enter time, exit time, enter time, exit time, and now the fourth heading I am adding is hours worked. Let's add the hours worked, and the payment. So let's put everything white color, and I'm adding some borders here. I'm not concentrating much on designing part. I'm just showing the functionality, how it works. Now first let's merge the cells, because the date I have merged two columns, so A and B. So here let's enter the date here. I'm adding today's date only, 26th December 2022. Enter. Here we got the date. Now here enter time. So here we are entering the values in the time format. So we need to format these cells, convert this cell format into time. So select the cell, right click the mouse, go to format cells. In the format cells, under number tab there is a category option. Under category there is a time here. Notice the time here. I am selecting the type of the time I want to add, 1:30 p.m. here. Let's add the style of the type. Now here 8:00 a.m. a.m. is, we don't need to add a.m. Exactly what I am adding here, 8:00 a.m. only. Then the exit time also we need to format cells. In the format cells, time, I am selecting the type. The type is, we finish around 5 p.m. 5 space p.m. Make sure capital letters. Then the difference, we need to add the difference here, is equals to, the formula is first exit time, then minus enter time. I am subtracting from the exit time to enter time, which gets into 24 hours. Enter. See, 9 hours has worked. Now the payment, let's, instead of pay, let's add pay. Pay here, I need to calculate 9 into 12, so is equals to 9 into 12. Enter. We got $108. So now everything, let's add one more record here. Merge the cells, 27th December 2022. Enter. Now this time I am adding, it started morning 10 o'clock a.m. and finish around 12 p.m. only. 12 p.m. Enter. So is equals to, again I am showing the formula between brackets. The formula is exit time minus enter time into 24 hours. Enter. The time difference is 2 hours only, and the payment we are calculating is equals to hours worked into wages per hour is $12. Enter. Here we got 24. Let's put everything in the middle. That's it. So again, so now let's add the total here. I'm adding the cells. The total is equals to sum the range I am adding here. Enter. See here 132, put in the middle. So I got $132 and I want to calculate the how many hours we worked in these 2 days. So again the formula is equals to sum. I'm selecting the range. Enter. See 11 hours I selected. So he worked a total 11 hours. And below here total hours worked. Merge the cells, and this one total payment is equals to hours worked E16 and total payment F16 132 hours. Let's put this in the center. That's it, we have done the coding part. Now here we have entered the employee ID 1001 employee payment slip. He has worked only for 2 days. Now for example, if I enter 1005, not 105, let's add 1002, when I click enter, notice that here I got Jack 8 hours, occupation is sales. Here we got all the information from sheet 1 to sheet 2 and it's calculated automatically. Now for example, 27th December his working hour I am changing to 2 p.m. See, he worked for 4 hours. The payment and hours of work is totally updated according to the enter time and exit time. Below we got total hours worked and total payment 1004. Now if you want to print the employee payslip, go to file, print. See here we got the print here. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have showed how to create a basic employee payroll system in Excel in hourly rates. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.